Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Orchard Ridge Apartments. Today I'm going to be showing you a second floor renovated Dayton floor plan. This floor plan comes on first and second floor, front and back facing in our community, so you will get different views. This is a very open floor plan, 1,150 square feet, 9-foot ceilings. All of our second floor units will have carpet in the living room, vinyl in the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry areas. The renovated apartments give you the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, updated lighting package throughout. If you were to have a first floor renovated, you would have the hardwood look flooring that you see in the kitchen throughout your entire living space. Really nice size windows in this floor plan. The back facing have these two large double windows. The front facing would actually have 4 individual windows, all let in a lot of great light. You can see the coat closet at the top of your stairs. And now we'll walk into your guest bedroom. Your guest bedroom has Jack and Jill entrance into your guest bathroom. Again, really nice size windows, large closets, and that is the Jack and Jill entrance into the bathroom. Is very spacious. Very large mirror and vanity with storage. It has a tub, medicine cabinet. All of our apartments do have full-size washer and dryer with interior HVAC equipment. You go into your master bedroom, you will see the ceiling fan that's included with the renovated units. 2 closets in your master bedroom, a walk-in and a standard closet, and then your master bath. The master bathrooms on the second floor do have a walk-in shower. The master bathrooms on the first floor would have a tub. Very spacious master bedroom. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here. And your master bedroom overlooks the balcony. All of our apartments have either a balcony or patio. Balconies are second floor, patios are first floor. Most of our floor plans do offer the storage closet off the patio or balcony. Great for exterior storage, decorations, things you're not using all the time. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions about pricing and availability of this floor plan, please call the office at 610-970-6425 or visit our website at www.orchardridgeapartments.com. That's orchardridgeapts.com.